Join me as we prepare this delicious alkaline vegan salad. All ingredients are already prepared. Let's start. Start off by adding greens of your choice. I use romaine and baby lettuce. Next, add in cherry tomatoes or plum tomatoes. Then julienne sliced bell peppers and thinly sliced apples. I squeeze a little key lime over them to prevent browning. Next, thinly sliced cucumbers. And then we will top it off with some hemp seeds, which brought life to this salad. If it was something to talk about, let's talk about these hemp seeds. Let's keep it simple for the dressing. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of agave sweetener, and 5 teaspoons of key lime freshly squeezed. Now, if we were adding vinegar, then the key lime portion could have only been 2 teaspoons, but the 5 teaspoons is needed to awaken the dressing. And a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. When using the Himalayan sea salt, you have to mix really well. It takes some time to dissolve when hand mixing, but if you use the white sea salt, it's better to dissolve. The dressing and the hemp seeds played a powerful role in this salad. It really brought life to the salad. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Pair this with your meal, have this for breakfast or a snack. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.